Crude oil and natural gas both have respected the analysis, both have respected the technicals. We have been mentioning that we are still bullish on crude oil and natural gas. I've been bullish since long. I've mentioned several times in my updates that I am looking forward to 2.1, 2.2 zone since long, and now it is almost at 2.16 today, while oil has also gradually moved towards it. So can we expect oil to rise more and net gas to continue on this bull run? Or there is a possibility of a reversal? What is going to be our strategy in order to profit trading crude oil and net gas? We will see with the help of charts and indicators. I'm Ankit Jain. Welcome to my channel, and this is the only channel in the world which gives you twice a day updates and targets with accuracy such that you can make profit. Thus, subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon to get the notifications, or join the free Telegram channel for live market updates. Join the channel memberships here on YouTube as well in order to support the effort. Let's start first to look into oil, followed with gas. Watch till the See, if you look at crude oil on the early charts, you've seen it delivering lower highs, and it is still very much in this bearish channel. It has to break now beyond 83.6 level. That is the only level above which we can say that it is reversing, and then we can look forward to a very strong rise which can take the prices towards 84.5 and in fact 85 levels. So these levels, you have to be watch out. You have to be watching out with caution here. As long as 83.6 levels today are not taken, we have to be careful. Right now we can see the moving averages are trading with divergence. It is trying to retrace a bit. I will recommend you to buy now at 83, but then you have to be careful at 83.2 and then 83.5, 83.6 zone, which is going to be a maximum resistance zone. MACD has crossed over here, trading with divergence, looking upwards. RSI is bullish and stochastic has come to overbought levels. Coming to 2-hour chart, on the 2-hour charts, you can see there is a reversal sign. After the reversal sign, see these candles, none of the candles close below 82.3. Remember, I mentioned yesterday in my update as well that 82.3, 82.2 is going to be a good support zone. Now, today it has precisely bounced back from the same zone, and right now it is struggling between 20 and 50 period moving average on the 2-hour charts. Now, see, preceding candle comes with a bigger tail and it has closed at the top. The current candles started on a pivot and trying to rise. So, yes, we have to wait for it to stay above 83, and then we can look forward to a similar size of candle taking it till towards 83.4, 83.6 zone, which is an achievable level. Yes, and that should also confirm a reversal here, because right now it is trading in this bearish channel. So it is very, very important now for oil to break beyond 83.4, 83.6 zone. MACD here, crossing over here, initiating for a buying confirmation. RSI rising, stochastic has come to overbought zone. Coming to 3-hour charts, on the 3-hour charts, the observation is similar. Right now, it is under retracement, not a reversal. Only and only if you see it is staying beyond 83.6, consider this for a reversal. Yes, I still have the bullish instinct, or the technicals are still confirming the bullishness here for oil. We have to wait for just a breakout. MACD here trying to converge, crossover for buys. RSI rising, stochastic is rising as well. Coming to 4-hour, on the 4-hour charts, you can find out drop, retracement, and it is reversing. Now, see, also one must note the preceding candle comes with a flat top, and this is coming after a series of bearish candles. So, in all probability, it can deliver a bullish candle, or if it delivers a swing candle here, closing at around this zone, the next candle could be the bullish candle. So the possibility for oil to move on the upside towards 83.4, 83.6 zone exists strong. However, in order to take a safer entry, you should buy here at 83 levels, but then wait for it to break beyond 83.2. Then we can look forward to 83.5, 83.6 zone. Also, if you look at right now, we are looking at higher lows, higher highs, drop, retracement, rise, retracement, rise, retracement, and the highs here are now going to be beyond 84.5. Let's see if it continues to stay bullish. MACD is trying to converge, RSI flat, stochastic is rising. Coming to daily charts, and before we look into daily charts, if you want to learn this art of, you can be part of my 31st mentorship batch starting coming Monday, first Monday of the May 2024. And in this mentorship batch, we teach all the tools, techniques, strategies, and the trade setups with the help of which you can identify the profitable trades with ease and you can trade profitably. Do not miss to join this learning journey. You will definitely cherish the learning for life. Else, you can be part of my Signals channel on Telegram. For any of your queries, you can write an email or you can ping me on Telegram. And many of you had also asked me to recommend a broker. You can find the recommended broker link in the channel and video description. Yes, if you join through the link, you will get the lowest spreads on offer and a swap-free account. Thus, save much of your capital by joining a safe, secure broker which can offer you lowest spreads. do join through the link. Now, coming to the daily. Now, oil on the daily charts right now, it is still very much possible that lower highs, lower lows, it can confine itself within. Right now, I can see it taking support from the 50 period moving average, and right now also we can see on the daily charts, it is trading in this bearish channel. The lows of this channel are far below. So if you see oil is staying below, see, first of all, these are markets, anything and everything is possible. The bullish prospects right now visible on the charts can turn into completely a bearish move. Thus, a selling entry today is below 82.2 levels. If you see oil is staying below 82.2, we can sell, but then we have to wait for 81.8 to be taken. And if 81.8 and then 81.5, 81.4 levels are taken, we can say that there could be a sharper fall which is waiting for crude oil, which can take it below 80 levels as well. Right now it appears that there is a possibility of a further rise, and thus I will recommend a buying entry if you see it is staying beyond 83. Though MACD is bearish, RSI is almost flat and stochastic is dropping. So buy at 83. Be careful as long as 83.5, 83.6 is not taken and then 84 is not taken. Two levels which are going to prove out to be a greater resistance. After 84, it is going to fly high 84.5, 85.1 and in fact higher levels. Take your positions accordingly on the downside. Be careful at 82, 81.8. Below that, a sharper fall is also can be expected. So take your positions accordingly. Now let's have a look at natural gas. See, natural gas on the hourly charts prices are divergent from the 20 period. It is trying to approach towards its 2.15, 2.16 levels, proven out to be a greater resistance up beyond 2.1516. If you see net gas is staying above, we can look forward to 2.2 levels, which are going to be the next targets. Right now, it is trying to converge towards the moving average 20 period, which is sitting at around 2.11. And we all know 2.11, 2.1 is the first support zone, and 2.08 is the next support zone. As long as these two levels are respected today, we should not be treating natural gas as bearish, below which you can look forward to 2.05, 2.02 levels, such as sharper fall. See, look at MACD on the hourly charts crossing over here. It appears that there could be further bearishness. RSI has dropped from the overbought zone and stochastic is dropping as well. Coming to 2 hour charts, on the 2 hour charts as well, you can see this. It was trading bullish. It is trying to uh, erase much of the gains or little gains from what you have seen a stronger rise. So yes, if it stays below 2.11 levels, you can take a sell entry at 2.11. When you see the higher prices below 2.11, you can take a sell, but then 2 and 2.08 is the first support levels, then 2.05. As long as it stays above 2.05, we should not be treating natural gas as bearish. It is trying to just move towards 20 period, which is because the prices are trading with little divergence from it as of now. MACD is divergent and bullish here. Stock, but it is trying to converge and cross over. So let's see if it crosses over and yields a selling entry that may try to pull the prices little down. RSI is also overbought, trying to cool down. Stochastic is also overbought, trying to cool down. So yes, indicators are overbought, prices are divergent, suggest that there could be a pullback. It has seen the highs, it can try to uh, lose some of the ground here. 2.11, 2.1 and 2.08, 2.05, very very good support zone, so you can take a sell entry like this. MACD is divergent and bullish, it is trying to converge. RSI overbought, trying to cool down, and stochastic is overbought, it is also trying to cool down, so a little drop is possible. And similar is the observation on the 3 hour chart. See what has happened here can get replicated here as well. Higher lows, so higher highs, it can try to move towards 2.05 levels, possibilities there. MACD here, yes, bullish, trying to cross over. Coming to 4 hour charts, similar observation is what we can see. After achieving higher highs, it can try to deliver higher lows as well. This is net gas, it can show you swings within a single day, single candle, and the lows here are below $2 levels. MACD is in green, trying to converge a bit. RSI overbought and stochastic is overbought as well, trying to cool down a bit. Coming to daily. See on the daily charts, what has happened here? Couple of green candles, a sharp pullback, then couple of green candles achieving higher highs. It can show a pullback here. But I do not see it moving towards 20 period moving average. The pullback can be comparatively smaller than what we have seen here. And if you look at the movement, see this is a pattern which is it has been following since long. And thus, if you see net gas below 2.11, then only I will recommend you to sell. See, it is also outside bulling a bands, and that is why it can show a little pullback. But on the downside, 2.08, 2.05 levels are going to be very, very good support. MACD is divergent and bullish. RSI is still having scope, and stochastic is also having scope on the upside. So, buying entry now at 2.15, 2.16 zone can be taken, breaking beyond which we can look forward to 2.2 levels, 2.19, 2.2 going to be a good resistance zone. Beyond 2.2, we can look forward to a move towards 2.24, and further highs can be expected. These are markets, anything and everything is possible. What appears bearish can completely turn bullish. So, and yes, on the downside, only bearishness, you can sell here at 2.11, but then we have to be careful. 2.08, 2.05, very, very good support. And below 2.05 is where we can look forward to a drop, where 2.02 and $2 levels are going to play a major, 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 major support here. I do not see it breaking below 2.02 zone. Take your positions accordingly. Do like, share, subscribe, and comment. Join the mentorship batch, join the signals channel, join the free telegram channel for live market updates. Do watch every day the first update with the Asia and Europe session. That will add lot much of meaning to your trading decisions before the US session. Thank you. Have a great profitable trading day. See you again tomorrow with more updates. Thank you.